going to be showing you how to drink a water bottle in under 1.5 seconds. Before you even attempt to do this, there's 4 things that you need to master. If you don't master these 4 things, this happens. I'm now going to show you the 4 steps that you need to master in order to chug this water bottle in under 1.5 seconds. If you don't master these steps, you will fail miserably. Step 1. You're first going to have to train your chugging muscles in your throat to use the right reflexes. And you're going to be doing this by opening your mouth and placing water in the mouth and being able to drink it. So I'm going to show it right now. You're going to try to chug the water with your mouth open at the same time. You're going to be using these muscles. And once you master that, you can move on to step 2. This is just the next step in the process of learning how to chug a water bottle under 1.5 seconds. And it is placing the water bottle in your mouth without using any hands and chugging the water bottle like this. Once you've mastered how to do that, then you can move on to the 3rd step. Step 3. Now since you mastered steps 1 and 2, you are ready to work on your speed. In this exercise, we will try to drink a can as fast as we can while keeping a space in between your mouth and the can. Once mastered, we can move on to the last step, which is actually drinking the water bottle. And I'm going to show you that right now. As you can see, I used step 1 and steps 2 while chugging this. Step 4. Now that we finished all these steps, you are ready to show your friends that you are the king of chugging. I'm now going to show you what actually chugging looks like. This is 17 ounces of lemonade. I chose lemonade because a subscriber asked me to chug lemonade, so here goes nothing. And that's how you chug a water bottle in under 1.5 seconds. If you want to see more videos, please feel free to like and subscribe. Also, if you want to see anything in upcoming videos, please comment, and I'll put that in my next video.